Blow up another phone book.
Do another one. I got that one on video.
Did you really?
Mm-hmm.
You were just like sitting there, like
I was waiting for it.
waiting.
Oh shit! Into the neighbor's yard.
I've been getting the neighbors one too. Oh. I want rapid.
Don't set them off over there. Get over to the yard.
You hear your chat back there?
God damn it. I want the rapid fireworks again. Ow!
That was a big bomb.
I'm getting the neighbors ones as well as ours. Woo! Feel my hand. Yours is just as cold though.
See?
I'm trying to get it warm.
Take more than that to impress me.
Well, maybe put down your phone.
No! Ow! If I put down my phone, I wouldn't have caught that. I'm prepared, dang it. I bet this is all gonna be my voice. It's all gonna be on this video. I'm like, I'm prepared.
Ready.
I'm ready for these fireworks. You're gonna give you a headache? I already had my headache for the day. I'm good.
Damn.
I get migraines all the time. It's lame. Do it to it, neighbors. They're on it right now.
Let's get more than one going here.
Oh,
That's a cold breeze.
woo! They need to get the rapid one like they did last time. That was cool. I want the one after the other, after the other.
We should turn on our porch lights.
Yeah.
Forgot again.
Oh, hopefully this one will do something cool. Oh, there we go. There we go. Oh. Oh. His video's 4 minutes so far.
Oh my god. Shut up.
What?
Stop it and start